In this video, I'm going to explain about how to implement document level style sheets, or it is also called as embedded style sheets in web designing using HTML. I will show you. First, I will open the editor and you create a new HTML page. So default lines of code, assign a meaningful title. This is about document level style sheets. So I given the title as document level style sheets. And there is a tag called style tag. Whatever the styles we want to implement, those should be defined in between open style tag and closing style tag. So first I want to apply red color for header tag h1, blue color for header tag h2, some other color to h3, h4, h5, h6. Then how can I declare them? I will show you. We need to follow a syntax: element name, flower bracket begins, property name. Suppose I want to update the color property. The default color of property for the header tag h1 is black color. Suppose I want to change it to blue color. And also I want to apply text align as center, because the default alignment of the text element of the h1 tag is left. Default color is black. I want to update these two properties. Whenever I am using h1 tag, I want to display the contents in blue color with center alignment. So this is my requirement. So I need to define like this. Suppose if I want to define the properties for some other tags also, I can do it like this. So for example, h2. For h2, I want to display it in red color and center element only. Similarly for h3 also, some other color, some green color. Suppose for this one, if I want right alignment, then I need to change it from center to right. So once I define the required styles in between open style tag and closing style tag, then I can use these tags inside the body tag. Suppose for example, h1, I will display web technologies h1, and h2 also I used the tag, say again web technologies h2. h3, I want to display the same subject name 3 times by using 3 different header levels. h3. So save this program in our respective directory. So this is about document style sheet. So document style dot html. So how do we run this program? So this is the code. I declared three properties. I declared two properties for h1 tag, h2 tag, and h3 tag. h3. This is h3, not h1. h1. So h1, h2, h3. So for three tags, I want to reset. I want to change the existing properties. Existing property of the color is black. I want to get it blue. Existing text element is left element. I want to get it center for h1 tag. Similarly for h2 also, I modified the existing properties. For h3 also, I modified. Once I made changes to h1 tag, h2 tag, and h3. Later, I'm going to use them inside the body tag to display a particular subject name. Now how do we run it? So go to the respective directory and look for the file with what name we saved it. We saved it document level styles. Document styles. So run this one. You can observe it. The first one is displayed on the right, and the next one is displayed on the center, and the next one is displayed on the left. we will check it whether we got the correct one or not. We will check it. So what is actually we applied the alignment as center for the H1 also, but when I'm displaying H1, that is also displayed on the center element node. Just we will cross check it once. Yeah, it's displayed on the right side. I will check it. Why it is displaying right side? Yeah. So now, now it will change. Yeah. You see, the first one and second one are displayed with the center element, but the third one is displayed with the right element. First one and second one means H1 and H2. For H1 and H2, I set the properties as center. For both, I made the element as center. For H1, I applied blue color. For H2, I applied red color. You can check the output whether they are displayed with blue color and red color or not. And for the third one, I applied green color. That means wherever I use H1 tag in my program, how many, irrespective of number of times. Suppose I will use H1 tag one more time in the same program. I will use H2 tag one more time in the same program. I will use H3 tag one more time in the same program. Like I will change the subject name, web application development. Web application development. This is H2. This is also H2. Change the subject name, web application development. Next, this is about H3. Here also I changed the subject name as web application development. I saved it. I rerun the program to observe the changes. If you observe, the first two header level H1 tag is displaying two subject names. One is web technologies, the other one is web application development. And next header level, by using header level 2 also I am displaying the same subject names. One is web technologies, the other one is web application development. So wherever I am using H1 tag, it applies blue color. Wherever I am using H2 tag, it applies red color. Wherever I am using H3 tag, it applies green color. Wherever I am using H1 tag, it applies text element as center. Wherever I am using H3 tag, it applies text element as right. That means this is why it is called as a document level style sheets or embedded style sheets. Means first I will justify that why it is declared as called it as a document level. Whatever the changes we made for the existing tags, whatever the properties we change it for the existing tags, those are applicable within this document only. Within the document means H1 is used in the same document two times, H2 is used in two times, H3 is used two times. So wherever we use it within the same document, whatever the changes we made for the tag H1, H2, H3, all those changes are applicable within the document. That's why it is called as document level style sheets. The other name for this one is embedded style sheets. Why it is called as embedded means in between the open style tag and closing style tag, we embedded these set of properties for the existing tags. That's why it is also called as document level or embedded level style sheets. Embedded style sheets. You can check this, the title of the program whatever we given, that is displayed here, document level style sheets, document level / embedded style sheets. If I place my mouse pointer here, you can highlight this. You can see or able to see the title of the tab. So title is a tag that is used to display the title on the web browser. This is used to set some title on the web browser. So style is an attribute that is used to define our own styles for the existing tags. Once we made changes, then we can use them inside the body tag. So in this way, we can use document level style sheets to design our web pages.